Lipids by Nathan Harding and Mason Bushway. In this video we are going to talk about lipids, more specifically fatty acids and phospholipids. We will begin with fatty acids.
There are two types of fatty acids, unsaturated and saturated. Unsaturated fatty acids are found at a liquid consistency at room temperature. Oils are all unsaturated fats. Some peanut butter is made with unsaturated fat if there is oil on the top. Saturated fat, however, is found at a solid consistency at room temperature. Butter and cheese and some other peanut butters are made all with saturated fat. Next we're going to talk about phospholipids. Phospholipids are made of saturated and unsaturated fatty acid tails, a glycerol, and a phosphate head. As you will see, the phosphate head is hydrophilic while the fatty acid tail is hydrophobic. Because phospholipids are hydrophilic on one end and hydrophobic on the other, when they are immersed in an aqueous solution, they will form a phospholipid bilayer, as you can see here. Another key thing to consider when we're talking about a phospholipid bilayer are integral proteins, which were first demonstrated in the Singer-Nicholson fluid mosaic model in 1972. Integral proteins are embedded within the phospholipid bilayer to maintain homeostasis. You might be wondering where the phospholipid bilayer would be found. The phospholipid bilayer is found in the plant cell, where it makes up the vacuole membrane. The phospholipid bilayer and the integral proteins embedded in it allow water to escape into the plant cell cytoplasm, where it can maintain homeostasis.
All in all, the phospholipid bilayer and the integral proteins help maintain homeostasis. Think of the straw as the integral protein, the water in the bottom of the glass as the cell, and the oil as this phospholipid bilayer. And on a side note, the oil is a saturated fat that floats on the oil because of its phospholipids, much like the peanut butter shown earlier. Some nutrients are let in through the integral protein, and the phospholipid bilayer acts as a shield.